FlyWP is a WordPress server management platform that uses Docker to manage sites on any custom or cloud server. It offers a centralized dashboard that allows WordPress users to manage multiple aspects of their WordPress sites and servers. Now let's begin and see how to get started with FlyWP and start managing sites and servers quickly. Before you go, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get timely updates. First, open the login page of FlyWP. After logging, you'll land on the server page. Here you can change the view in two modes, grid and list. You'll get a similar option for the sites as well. Here, you can change the screen mode in 3 different modes. By clicking the very next button, you'll find some resources to run FlyWP smoothly. You'll also get some options in the upper right corner under the profile icon. Click on the team section. Here you can see the other team members listed here. You can simply add team members by adding their email addresses and assigning their roles here. Along with this, you can also get some other options like settings, backup providers, integrations, SSH keys, and server providers. Now let's create a site with FlyWP. First of all, you need to create a server. For that, click on the Create Server button. You'll get 2 options: Provision with FlyWP or other server providers. We'll go with the DigitalOcean. Select the server account, location, shared CPU, site size and server hostname. And then click on the Launch Server button. You'll see a progress bar that is creating a server. Wait a bit to complete the process. You have successfully created the server. You'll get some website management related options here. Now click on the SSH keys. You can add SSH keys from here. Next, click on the database and you will get all the details about the database, like credentials. Next, on the cron tab, you can create cron. Then click on the status page to get an overview of the server status. Click on the firewall, and you can add firewall rules manually. And all rules will be listed here. On the Manage page, you will find some services for your website. Also, you will get the SSH and SFTP information. Next, on the Settings page, you can get server metadata, a maintenance window, and server deletion option. Let's now create a site with FlyWP. Click on the Create a New Site button. Then click on the Standard Site. Choose the PHP version. Enable the test site to create a test domain with FlyWP. And hit the Next button. Fill out the information for your website. Activate the page cache if you want. And then click on the Next button to finalize the process. You'll be getting a progress bar about the process. Yes, the site has been successfully created. Now check the WordPress site management related options on the left sidebar, like caching, SSL, WP config, security, email, updates, file manager, manage, backups, logs, and site settings. Let's visit the website. Also, you can directly enter the site through FlyWP Magic Login without manually giving the credentials. So, this is how you can get started with FlyWP. We hope this simple overview video helps you to know about FlyWP.